Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel again today. My name is Pharmacist Nkechi and I'm happy to be here again. Today I'm going to talk about allergies. Allergies is just such a wide topic that I have to split this discussion into two. For today we're going to look at allergies generally and how they develop in the body. Then in the subsequent discussion we'll look at how we can manage some common allergies at home and some remedies that can help us. Allergies develop when your body's immune system mistakenly identifies some substances as harmful. Substances like pollen, animal dander, some foods, flowers, and a lot of other things. Those substances are called allergies. And this leads to a series of reactions in the body, usually called allergic reactions. These allergic reactions happen in two phases. So let's look at the two phases of allergic reactions in the body. So phase one is when, in the presence of the allergen, your immune system responds by creating antibodies called immunoglobulin E. This phase one is usually known as the sensitization phase. Allergens vary, and depending on the type, whether food or pollen, the antibodies generated are usually localized on your airways. Could be around the nose, the lungs, the windpipe, or even on the skin. Phase 2 happens when, in the presence of the same allergen, that is, when the body gets exposed to that same allergen, the body reacts by releasing some inflammatory substances, including a chemical called histamine. This causes mucus formation, dilation of the blood vessel, skin itching, and swelling along the airways. This is called allergic reaction, and the essence or allergic reaction happens to stop further allergens from getting into the body and also to prevent infection or reaction based on the ones that have already had access into the body. So the allergic reaction is like a protective mechanism for the body, and this is when you see like swelling in some parts of the body, redness on some parts of the skin, and a lot of other reactions that we find very, very uncomfortable to bear with. Once this allergic reaction happens, for any other time your body gets exposed to the same allergen that caused the reaction, funny enough, your body reacts exactly the same way. And for some mild allergic reactions like airborne reactions, symptoms can include puffiness of the eyes, runny nose, stuffiness of the nose. But for some other severe allergies, it could include things like hives, diarrhea, and trouble breathing. Now, a pertinent aspect of this discussion is let's look at when allergies develop in life. Typically, it varies. For some people, their allergic symptoms develop as early as from childhood. Even as early as from 1 year old to 3 year old, they've already developed symptoms and allergic reactions. Then for some other people, they develop them much more later in life. Interestingly, the reason for this difference and variations is not really explainable, but what happens is that some people gradually get used to the allergy over time and they become more tolerant over time. But for some people, they can even develop these allergies much more later in life, maybe when they are already adults, into their adulthood. So these are different case scenarios as per the timing of development of allergies in humans. Some sources of adult allergies include animal allergies or pet allergies arising from animal dander, chemicals released in their urine. Also some food allergies like food substances like peanuts, some vegetables, some fruits. Causes of adult allergies includes factors like one, relocating to a new home, new offices where one gets exposed to new trees, new flowers, new plants all around. Secondly, it could result from people who are getting a pet for the first time. They can become allergic at that point to it. So I hope you all got value from this brief discussion about allergies and allergic reactions. At least I was hoping it could demystify some fears and some concerns that we have when we have allergic reactions. So what will happen is that next time I'll continue with some home remedies for some specific allergic reactions that are very common in the environment. We'll discuss them at length. And I promise you it's going to be another engaging and interactive section. So I'm looking forward to your tuning in like you did this week, the following week, for a continuation on this discussion. And thank you so much. Let me know if you have any question. As usual, drop in your comments, like the video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. Have a lovely day.